Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on another request smuggling lab in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. This time it's HTTP request smuggling confirming a TE.CL vulnerability via differential responses. Backend server does not support chunked encoding, so we'll use that for the front end. So we need a smuggler request that causes the next request to trigger a 404. So very similar to the last one, except for this time we're using TE.CL. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. Let's look at our cheat sheet for, let's scroll in. And this is what we want. Response difference, TE.CL. So will the content length, which is used by the back end, will just be this first line. Transfer encoding chunked will be this, the rest of this, right? And then the next request, when it comes, it's just going to attach itself here. And I think we need to do it like what we did the TE.CL here a little bit. I'm a little worried about where that's, well, let's give it a shot. All right. Oh, it's going to attach right here, right? Because that 0 is going to go away. Okay. So let's first go here, make sure we've proxying. We are proxy HTTP history. We'll get this get, send to repeater. From repeater, we're going to paste this, change this to post, delete all of this down to there. Transfer encoding chunked for. That's right. We don't want to solve this. So I am going to change this to post, which means that this goes up a letter. So that's D. Content length 144. So this is going to get a lot of the next request and attach it, which is fine. So we need this, and then we need proxy a get. Send to repeater. Where's that? Boom. So we'll send this one, and then we'll send this one. In fact, we can do that fancy add table to group. Let's hope this works. What is this? Request. Let's just call it RS. Fine. We'll add both tabs, and we'll color it red. And then we are going to send in sequence separate connections so that they send it one after another. First here and then second the get. This is just getting the home page. And hopefully we get an error saying that we need a post ID. And we get an internal server error, which is awesome. Just what I freaking wanted. Okay. No problem. Content length. Oh, we need this. Update content length to be 4. Let's try that. Get a delay. That's not really a good sign. No. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we need to calculate this. Figure out if that was right. So to do that, I need here to here. Copy. And let's go IPython. A equals this. And then let's do A dot encode length of this. And then remember, we need to add on the /r's for any that are missing. So we got 119 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 119 plus 5, 9 plus 5, and then hex of that, which equals 7C. Okay, now let's try it. Uh-oh. Suck. This is frustrating. Every damn time. Get /post. So, let's try adding 2. We tried 7E, didn't we? A, B, C, D, E. Let's try 7E. That was faster. And let's try 2 less, which would be A. Let's try B. Oh, crap. What's up with this? I don't know if this is it. You guys have probably been yelling at my screen yelling at me for a while now, right? Oh, and we need to recalculate that. Crap. Okay. But not the 0. Copy. And I need to write a function to calculate this. I'm going to write that right now. So we're going to do vim calc length dot pi. How do we accept a multi-line input? Or do we just do like import it in here? That could work. So def, I want I don't know how to do this right yet. I got to think about this. But I want a function A equals that does these steps for me. A, and then swaps them. Swaps the carriage return, counts the length, turns it to hex. So how do I input? I wonder if we can. Well, I'll do that at the end. Let's just do the manual steps for now. So I'm going to do length A encode. And then I'm going to count the ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I could probably do a dot count. We can do a dot encode b equals b dot count b slash n 5, and then we could do length of b plus 5 hex of this. Oh crap. Len of b plus 5 hex. 9F. All right. That shouldn't cause the first request to fail. That should have caused the second request to fail. Suck. All right. Def calc length text. We're going to do it, write a quick function here, and then we can just use that for now. So we're going to do it like this. We'll do a.encode or text.encode. B text equals text.encode. And then we'll do hex of length of B text, length of B text plus B text dot count B n hex, and then we'll do dot split on x. Oh, there's a better way to do this, and I looked it up. It's like int format x. Crap. I'll look it up again before we write the real function. So I'll do it the hacky way this time. Splint x, and then get the second item. Okay. Make sure, and then let's return that. Whoops. Calc length of I want to remove this. Oh, crap. There. 6E. This should be 4, which is right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something's not right here. Front end's going to use this. So let's try adding 1 to this. Whoops, not G. Let's do 7A. 7, 0. 7, 1. Wait, no. 7, 0. No. None of that worked. 6E. Okay, so let's go D. E. D. So C. All right. I'm going to have to stop the video and try to figure this out. Okay, so I think I figured it out. I'm like 90% sure it's because I need a blank line after this 0. And I can't believe I forgot it again. If this works, I'm going to be super mad at myself for not 6E. For not having that in the notes. Okay. Oh my gosh. That was it that whole time. Dang it. All right. So sorry, everyone. Let me /r/n/r/ add that here so it's obvious. Should I put it in brackets? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, sorry. Wasting a lot of video time, but we got it, we got the result we wanted. So we just need to recreate this request in Python and then send a follower get request. Okay, what is this called? Confirming TE.CL via differential responses. Vim confirming CL TE. Is that right? TE.CL. TE.CL via differential responses .py. Let's start with, what should we start with? Probably the one we did last time, yesterday. Let's G, come on. V, G, I want Shift V, G. My goodness. Whoops, what did I just do? Come on. I can't type. Shift, G, yank, paste. There we go. Okay. Body. This is going to change. So let's close this. And let's look at what we have. We have 6E and copy all of this. Copy. We really should. Let's paste that there. Okay. We need F6. This is blank line, right? No, not a blank line. 6E, this, and then blank line X equals 0. And then a blank line after. Like that. F, because we need blog dot host here. Okay, and that's the body. That's good. We need to tell it the content length, which is in utils, right? Yep. Content length equals 4, because that's just this line, 2 characters, and then the carriage return line feed. RT. We don't want second response. Oh, yeah. And remember, we want this to be 404, so that this gets a 404. All right. Well, fingers crossed. Python confirming TE. Here. Let's make sure it's still live. Should. Oh. Yeah, whatever. There we go. Paste. Send it. Uh-oh. This doesn't look right. We should have got a 404 there. Proxy. Get. Dang it. What now? All right. So So let's look at this. Post content length 4, transfer encoding 6E, get 4. Oh, did we update this from 6E? Probably not. Okay. Payload equals, let's do triple quote this. Payload's going to be this. And then we're going to F this. And then we're going to put it here. The reason I'm doing that is so that I can hexlen do that. And here I want to calculate the length of this. So do we have in utils? We need a def calc length calclen. Sure. Let's calc TE.CL of text. We're going to do it just like we did here, right there. We're going to encode it. So b text equals text dot encode. And then return. I'm going to fix this, I promise. Copy, paste, calc TE.CL. So here, where am I? What am I doing? What's going on? Okay, utils.calc TE.CL of payload, right? And then, is that a string? It is a string. It should be, right? Because we're, yeah. So we define the payload, we calc. Yep, yep. Okay. Much better. Let's try that. Ah, there we go. Second request not found. That should be, yeah, there we go. Lab is solved. Woo! Boom. All right. I still need to work on my ability to script this stuff out. Every time it seems like there's something I do wrong. This time it was forgetting that TE needs, a blank line after the 0. I've forgotten. Every time we've done TE first, I've forgotten that now. So I need to burn that into my brain. Next, I want to create a better function or a better way to calculate length of the payload. I've been trying to think of how I want to do that because I don't necessarily need it as a function, but all right. Anyway, if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.